Alright, real quick video about checking these slides. You can use compressed air or just cup your hand. You got the two hoses. So I'm going to cup my hands and blow some air in here and you'll see the slides move. So that's a good way to check it. Like I said, you can use compressed air or just cup the hose with your hand and blow some air in there. And if these are moving, you're good. If they're not moving, you got some kind of issue going on with your diaphragm. You know, you got 4 carbs, each carburetor has a diaphragm, you might have a leak in one of those diaphragms.